How to block ads on Android. So to start, what you need to do is to open your Chrome browser, and then in here simply tap on these three dots. After that, tap on settings, and then under settings we'll have to scroll down until we see this option, site settings. What we need to do is to open this one, and then under here we'll have to scroll down again and then look for notification. Make sure that this one is toggled off. After that, we'll have to go back and then look for this option, pop-ups and redirects. What we need to do is to toggle this one off. Once you're done with that, we'll have to go back and then simply open our phone settings. In here, we'll have to scroll down and then look for the apps option. And then after that, it will show you all the apps that you have on your account. In here, what you need to do is to select or open the app that most ads appear. So as an example, I'm going to select this Block Blast. After that, in here, we'll have to tap on the notifications option. And then after that, we'll have to make sure that the notification is toggled off. So those are the ways on how you can block ads on Android. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.